In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Athreos in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to get specific generals, in the case of this video, Athreos, in Stick War Saga. So if you go over to your decks and you browse through the Generals tab, you will see all of them here, including Athreos. So, in order to acquire Athreos and use him, you will have to check the rotation of the shop. So as you can see, I am able to simply slot Athreos into my deck and start. There is no warning telling me that it's locked. However, if I try to do the same with any of the other generals, it will give me a warning here with the locked icon. So basically, during the time that I'm recording this video, Athreos is available for free as a general. They made an update where you have to unlock generals by going into the shop. So as you can see, when I go into the shop at the bottom left, I see this pop-up unlock generals, and in here I'll be able to see which generals are free to use for the week. So in this example here, Xiphos, King Zarek, Sicklebear, Athreos, and Rafnar are free for the week. So I can use them and they will not lock my deck. But if I were to try to use any of these upcoming generals, then I wouldn't be able to unless they were added into the free rotation. If you want to use Athreos or any other general, regardless of whoever is free for the week, you will have to purchase him. So this should be around $5, 5 euros depending on your region, and you will have to tap on Athreos and purchase him. So it seems like this update was made so there's more variety on the generals. However, it is essentially pay to win because you have to purchase each general individually unless they are usable for free. And with all of that said, before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed when I went to check the channel metrics. So as you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. If you would like to help, please consider subscribing. We highly count on your support to bring you high quality videos regarding subjects like Stick War 3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.